Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to see class 6 chapter 3 playing with numbers question number 4 in exercise 3.7. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 3 and 12. So divisible by means what you have to do. In this chapter what we were discussing LCM and HCF. Two topics we are discussing. So divisible by these three numbers means, so which concept will come? The lowest common multiple or highest common factor. So we have to find the lowest common multiple. That means what is the meaning? One particular 3-digit number should be divisible by the 6, 8 and 12. So shall we move on to the content? We'll find the LCM for 6, 8 and 12. So all these three numbers will be divisible by which number? 2. How many times? 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Now 3, 4, 6. Now again I'll do with the two tables. In 2, 3 won't come, so I'll write the same 3 as it is. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Let me complete this 2 itself first. So again I'll divide it by 2. I'll write the same 3 here. 2 1s are 2 and 3. Then what I have to do? I will divide by 3. 3 1s are 3. 1 I will write it here. 3 1s are 3. So now I complete the LCM part. Find out the LCM. So how many 2s are there? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 4 6 are 24. So what I got the LCM here, the lowest common multiple is 24. But in the question what they have asked, smallest 3-digit number. So smallest 3-digit number we have to find. Here you have two methods in this question. First let me teach you the first method. Now I got 24 here. So let me check the multiples of 24. Like 24 1s are 24, 24 2s are 48, 24 3s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 72, 24 4s are 96, 24 5s are 120, 24 6s are 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 6 2s are 12, 144. So if you see here in the multiples of 24, till 4 times I got 2-digit numbers. Okay. Here I got 120, here I got 144. But in the question what they have asked, smallest 3-digit number. So here which is the smallest 3-digit number? 120. So this 120 is the answer of this question. So this 120 will be exactly divisible by the 6, 8 and 12. You can divide and check it. Divisible means what? You should divide and check. This 120 for example, I am dividing it by 6. So how many times 6 2s are? 12. Then again this 0. So what happens? I will leave the remainder as 0. Divisible means my remainder should be 0. So this 120 is exactly divisible by 6. Same like 8 and 12. So this is the first method of finding the sum. Now we are going to see the method 2. Method 2 also the same step. First we have to find the LCM. We got the LCM as 24. Now look the question. Smallest 3-digit number. What is the smallest 3-digit number? We all know it is 100. So now what we have to do? This 100 we are going to divide it by this 24. So how many times 100? So here 120, 96. How many times? 4 times. So 24 4s are, it is 96. I am leaving the remainder as 4. If it is divisible means what I told you, my remainder should be 0. I got the remainder here 4. So how to find the 3-digit number? In this way we are going to find. Take your divisor 24 minus 4. With this remainder you should subtract. What is the answer you are getting? 20. Now what you should do? You should add this 20 to the dividend. What is the dividend? 100. So 100 plus 20, it is 120. So this is the way, the other way you can find the 3-digit number. If you want, you can check that also. 120 divided by 24. How many times here itself we have? 5 times. So this is exactly divisible. So in this method what I have done? First I have done the LCM. Then smallest 3-digit number I have taken. I have divided with my LCM what I got it here. Then I got my remainder as 4. So what I have done next? 24 minus 4 I have done. So whatever answer I am getting here, I should add that with the dividend. So I will get the answer. If you want, you can check it and see whether the answer is correct or not. How you will find? If you got the answer, the remainder as 0, then exactly it is divisible. So this 120 is divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So the smallest 3-digit number is 120. Thank you. Thanks for watching.